A simple sandwich. When was the last time that you had a simple sandwich? Ever since I had the discovery of that deli meat, instead of getting it in the refrigerator section, I have been on a roll. You can get it shaved, thin cut, sandwich cut, thick cut, cooking cut, delicious. This time I got Swiss cheese, I got sandwich pepperoni, and I got lacy Swiss. I really love that Swiss cheese. Swiss cheese and turkey or chicken is really a top tier combination, and you cannot skip the tomato. The tomato really makes the meal. And I think next time I'm going to add some red onion, but I didn't have red onion this time. Very cheap sandwich, soft white bread, no need to toast it. Cut this up in a triangle because those are best. You can see the layers all nice. You can bite the corners and, really get up in the sandwich. Look at that. A masterpiece. My mouth is watering just making this video. And then you gotta pair it up with some good chips. Now, usually I will do Lay's because Lay's, they just really set a sandwich off. I'm not gonna lie though, Lay's have really, I don't know if they changed their recipe or not, but it just don't taste the same. It just don't hit like it used to. A little mini Coke that you can sip in a gulp,